Hi everyone. Uh, Reason behind why we are posting this. See, ideally, I would start with my introduction. My name is Ashwat Singh Bais. I am heading the HR ecosystem of my company. See, that is Go Speedy Go. Why I am saying it as my company? Because this is what we feel. All of us may be complete team. It's about that self ownership feeling, what we have, what we are getting from the management. We have decisive powers. We can think about the company, and that is being implemented. Yes, we are a startup, but a right startup which is being accompanied and supported by some of the biggest governmental bodies and biggest names in the industry. We have our funding partners as SBI, which in itself is an accolade. Added to it, we are partnering with Dicky. We are under Stand Up India scheme, so we are with SIDBI. There's a long list. There is a very long list to name across, and we know, we believe, and that will happen. What may come next 90 days, we are sure that we would be known by the brand Go Speedy Go Pan India. This will certainly be a brand in itself, and we will bring the first innovation into the automobile sector, creating it into an organized version of the automobile sector, and then would be known for it. We have wonderful mentors across in this company. We have wonderful people. We sometimes, yes, we work stressed hours, but we are never stressed out, because the way or the modus operandi with which we are working doesn't gives us stress. It's more like you are working with your own organization. You are trying to groom and establish your own organization. That zeal is completely that. So that is what we just wanted to share with every one of you, whom the persons who know me, the persons they don't know me, the persons who know me, they would certainly understand that if I am joining in a company, because for me it is already a brand, because the concept and the modus operandi by which we work, yes, it is a brand. It is an equivalent brand to whatever comes into your mind. Fine. Whatever comes into your mind as a brand, is my brand is equivalent to it. I can actually vouch on it. I can challenge it. I can prove it as an HR and as a core team member of this company. Right. So again, coming back to the persons who know me, what certainly I am very sure they will go back, they will see which brand I have started working with, and they would be again the same support ecosystem what they have been in my life all through. I am very sure they will again be there for me. And the persons who don't know me, again, go check and keep watching. We are there as the biggest brand in a short while. Thank you. Cheers.